Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Carpal tunnel. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3 to 4 drops of lavender oil. Instructions: combine the castor oil, turmeric powder, and lavender in a bowl. Stir to incorporate the powder well into the oils. How to use it: apply the mixture to the affected wrist and hand area. It is best to wrap the area in a bandage or cloth to avoid staining of the clothes from the turmeric. Leave this on for 30 to 60 minutes before washing off with warm water. Repeat this treatment once or twice daily, depending on the severity of your symptoms and discomfort. How it works: castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which is an anti-inflammatory and helps to reduce swelling and pain in the affected area. Castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, which aids in delivering the anti-inflammatory benefits directly to the tissues of the wrist and the hands. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is the active compound that is a potent anti-inflammatory that inhibits the production of cytokines, which are proteins that contribute to inflammation and pain. Lavender oil contains linalool and linaloyl acetate, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. The aroma of lavender is also calming, which can be beneficial for overall stress and tension relief. Wrist splints, when worn throughout the night while sleeping, are also known to help tremendously, as they keep your wrist in a neutral position that reduces pressure on the median nerve. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.